Earn more than 50,000 Indian rupees. Google offers money. It's completely free. Let's rain money for you. The giant company Google offers money to install and to use its mobile application Google Tez. Google Tez offers 51 rupees for each installation that you refer. But here I revealed the secret that how you can earn more than 50,000 with some little free setup and with less effort. For this free setup, I charge 2,500 Indian rupees, but you can avail this setup at free of cost. I mean absolutely and completely free. You may question, then why the price tag is for? Here is the answer. The price tag for rupees 2,500 is for those who already installed the app or for those who are out of the instruction I shared here. And it's completely free for those who follow the given instructions. Why the instruction for and what are those? These instructions are to help you in a proper way so that you can grow yourself in making money in our way that we understand well and confident. Instruction number 1. Install the Google Tez app from the given link only. The next video that reveals the secret to make more than 50,000 Indian rupees is absolutely free for those who installed and registered the Google Tez app through the link I shared here. So, don't install from other sources or else you will lose this free option. Instruction number 2. Like our Facebook page and join our Telegram group for support so that we can update you further. Now, the Google Tez app interface. As per instruction 1, click the link we shared here to install Google Tez. Google Tez will open in Google Play Store. For example, see the image at the right hand side. Remember, you have to provide the phone number that is registered with your bank account. Select the language from the list and enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, Tez will verify your number through SMS OTP one-time password. Then you will be given option to either use the current phone lock setting such as password, fingerprint, pattern lock, or to set up a separate Google PIN to prevent unauthorized access to Tez app. Add bank account to Tez app. After the initial setup, the next step is selecting a bank account from a given list of UPI-based bank. Select a bank with which your mobile number is registered. The app will fetch your bank detail and your bank account will be linked to Tez app. The next step in the process is setting up a UPI ID, also called as virtual payment address. If you already have an UPI ID, and that is possible if you are already using any UPI based payment app to which your bank account is already linked, the Tez app will ask for your existing UPI PIN to verify your existing UPI ID. You can ever reset the UPI PIN if needed. In case you do not have UPI ID, you can create one by providing your debit card details linked to your bank account. This also means that the debit card is mandatory to set up an UPI ID. After entering the debit card details, you will be asked to create a UPI PIN. Keep your UPI PIN safe as it will always be required to authorize the instructions. After these steps are complete, you are ready to transact through Tez. Please note, a UPI ID is a unique identifier which you can use to send and receive money on your UPI ID. Think of it as an email ID which you can use to transfer money. Once you set up your UPI ID, you are now ready to receive your first reward of Rs 51 INR by performing your first transaction. Now, do your first transaction of Rs at least 1 and receive 51 directly into your bank account. To do so, a new transaction, click here, or click here to send money to your existing friend. When you click the new option, the next interpretation will be like this. To do a new transaction, click here. Send money through UPI ID or send money through mobile number. I hope you did the first transaction and you received the first earning of Rs 51 from Tez. But I didn't invite you to make this 51 here. It's now the journey start to make money through this trusted app. I invite you to make more than 50,000 here. As I told you earlier, the setup to make more than 50,000 is free to all who download the installation this Tez app through the link I shared here with this presentation. So, without wasting your time and without deviating the instruction 1, click the link to install Tez app. So let's install the app from the given link, or else you will lose the free option to the secret of 50,000 earnings. Click the link to install Tez app and get a chance to earn more than 50,000 rupees for free. So don't forget the instruction 1, install app through given link only, and instruction 2, like our Facebook page and join our Telegram app for further update. All the best.